we have the pork roast sliced up, ready to go. So what we did, as you saw in the video, was we used lump charcoal and we used applewood. I'm not sure if I mentioned that or not for this cook. We think the applewood's going to complement the pork flavor very nicely. Yep. Yep. So we cooked it we seared it on both sides, I guess all 4 sides. And then we lost a little bit of the ingredients on when I seared it. So we put more on and then we put it indirect at 350 for about 20 minutes a pound. And then it was not cooked all the way, so I just put it up to until it got to the internal temperature of... So it's pork. So chicken's 165, steak is very different, and it's very personal preference. I do 125 normally, but for pork, you can do 145, is what they say is good.
I'm going to say 300.
Internal? So we cooked it at 350 until the internal was 145. Yeah. Anyway, so we have this here. Let me take a bite. The rub is just complemented this so well. No complaints here. A little bit of spice to it too, which is awesome. My wife made a gravy to go with it. I'll put everything in the description below, and nothing else more to say. Do you have anything to say, kiddo?
Yeah, I agree with you. It's like spice.
A little bit of spice, yeah. A little bit of heat to it. I think the gravy is going to help kind of cancel that out a little bit. So it's just going to be enhance more of a flavor versus not. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great rest of your day, and as always,
keep barbecuing here.
Cheers. Good job, kiddo. It's good.
Yeah, it is like spice. It's not spicy, but like what you normally think. It's like spice.
Yeah, there's a little bit of heat to it. Yeah,
spice.
It's not bad.
Spices.
It's delicious. Oh, it's so good.
I thought you just like chunk.